Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and obtain a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has ranked D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.45. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 50.77% since we first listed D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.75% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is anticipated. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 121.44% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 77.45% and 218.24%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 232.32%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 79.85% to 324.19% over the forthcoming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $28.25 and $66.64. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price ended at $15.71 on Wednesday after gaining 1.03%. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price gained 1.03% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of June 2025. The price rose from $15.55 to $15.71. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.91%. reaching a low of $15.20 and a high of $16.25. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 7 of them, resulting in an overall decrease of 11.84%. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 10 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 49 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $771,073,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $19.77, while the lowest price was 75 cents. Currently, the price remains 20.52% or $4.06, below the 52-week high of $19.77, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. D-Wave Quantum, trading under the symbol QBTS, has recently gained considerable attention within the quantum computing sector, reflecting its potential as a compelling investment. With a positive endorsement from Roth Capital, which raised QBTS's price target from $12 to $18 and reiterated a buy rating, the stock is approaching its all-time high of over $19. Additionally, it is benefiting from increased customer interest in both hardware and hosted services. Furthermore, D-Wave has made strategic moves by signing a memorandum of understanding with Yonsei University and Incheon Metropolitan City in South Korea, aimed at promoting the adoption of quantum computing in the region. This initiative is designed to position D-Wave favorably in the burgeoning South Korean market, potentially expanding its global footprint and revenue potential. In the broader market context, the technology sector, including quantum computing, is showing robust performance, buoyed by optimistic sentiment as geopolitical tensions ease and positive signals from Wall Street. The Nasdaq Composite Index is up, reflecting investors' confidence in equities amid a low-rate environment, where alternatives like bonds are less attractive. In the short term, this combination of strategic partnerships and favorable analyst outlooks can generate increased investor interest and drive the stock price higher. Long term, continued advancements in quantum technology adoption and successful product offerings may solidify QBTS's position as a leader in the space, potentially leading to sustained revenue growth and elevated stock valuations. Overall, the outlook for D-Wave Quantum remains positive as it navigates this dynamic landscape. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned QBTS a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade along with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. The stock of D-Wave Quantum Inc. currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, offering a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $15.97. Conversely, if it declines, support will be found from the long-term average at about $13.96. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, with the stock having fallen by 17.49% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. A sell signal was generated. Pivots. A sell signal occurred 19 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal was indicated 87 days ago. Short-term Moving Average. A sell signal was noted 8 days ago. Long-term Moving Average. A buy signal appeared 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal was recorded 30 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average. A sell signal was noted 6 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal was generated 41 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal was identified 160 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $15.36. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock is known for significant daily movements, exhibiting high volatility, and, with a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.05, which is approximately 6.91%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.16%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and could indicate potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of the year, 2025, is expected on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.0575. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $16.56. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $15.36. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June, 2025, Nielsen Kirsten conducted an insider sale of 58,644 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the 16th of June, 2025, Nielsen Kirsten conducted an insider sale of 13,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the 12th of June, 2025, DeLolo John D. conducted an insider sale of 20,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the 13th of June, 2025, DeLolo John D. conducted an insider sale of 22,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the 16th of June, 2025, DeLolo John D. conducted an insider sale of 15,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 31.232. Overall, insiders purchased 44,901,213 shares and sold 87,288,192 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $14.96, which represents a decline of 4.76%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. A sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top that was identified 18 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of June, we anticipate that D-Wave Quantum will open higher by 1 cent and begin trading at $15.72. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.